there was an entrance like right here. I see something. Feels a little sloggy. Let's go try one. Let's hope it's not too freaking muddy in here. This way. Man, there's some cool ones in here. Do the blueberry today, and maybe the fox run next. I'll tell you one thing, this is more fun than running. Blueberry, that way. Got today for the low price of $250. Not bad. Picked it up, put in the back of the convertible, took the wheels off, put it back on, had to go for a spin. Good little bike. Looks like no one's been down here in a long time. Fox run. I think it's a fun one. Oof. Look out, squirrel. I apologize for my breathing. So it's my first time on a mountain bike in a trail. Yeah, breakdown. What you hear is my seat jangling. Forgot to check every bolt before I left. It's all right. Oh my God, it's so loose. Just stay put for like another 20 minutes. Fox run drop right here. Here. I am lost. It's gonna be mosquito eat, but let's do it. Black Diamond. That way. Monumentum Hill Trail. Monument Hill Trail. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Man, all those houses are cooking burgers. It's making me so hungry. Caution, a steep hill. All right. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, my heart. That was fun. All right, time to go home. Bro, I'll do anything that takes my phone away from me. You know, no phone, no nothing, you know. Whew.